I love cooking rice dishes because it's budget friendly and it's also a perfect side dish. So today I'll be showing you how to create the most amazing peri peri rice, which is going to turn out flavorful, fragrant, filled with lots of vegetables, and so delicious. So what makes this peri peri rice recipe unique? As you can see, the rice is loaded with lots of vegetables. It's fragrant, flavorful because I use peri peri seasoning and the quality of rice. To cook this rice, I'll start off by chopping all my fresh ingredients. So using a sharp knife, I'm going to chop up my onion. Once done, I'm going to move to my stove top. And over medium flame, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place in my onions. And as the onions are cooking, I'm going to be chopping up my garlic and ginger. You're going to cook your onions for around a minute, and cooking with olive oil is going to add in lots of flavor to our rice. So I'm going to stir in the onions, add in my crushed garlic and ginger, the pot, and cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute until the garlic is fragrant and the kitchen is smelling so good. Very quickly, I'm going to slice up my carrots. And because carrots take a while to cook, I'm going to add into my pot. As I chop up my corn. So I'm going to place the corn on the chopping board, and then I'm going to slice into the kernels to remove the corn. And at this point, I'm going to be adding in my seasoning so that it can cook together with the veggies. So I'm going to add in my peri peri seasoning, 2 seasoning cubes, which are going to add in lots of flavor. Dried oregano, paprika, salt, and 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. I'm going to stir in everything, and then I'm going to cook for another 1 minute so that the spices can toast and get very aromatic. I'll be washing my rice until the water runs clear. That is to remove the excess starch. And for this recipe, I'm using 1 cup of long grain basmati rice that is going to turn out super amazing. The excess starch in the rice will make your rice to turn out very mushy and sticky. You're going to toast your rice for around 2 to 3 minutes, and this will make the rice super flavorful, and also it will add in a very nice smoky flavor to the rice. Next, you're going to add in 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. water in the rice, and then I'm going to wait for the water to come to a boil. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to be adding in some more salt to perfect the dish. So as the rice is cooking, I'm going to chop up a bell pepper, and I'm going to be using half. I'm going to remove the pit, slice and dice. Chop up my coriander. For this recipe, I'm going to be removing the stems. And then I'm going to slice and dice my coriander. When done, you're going to cook your rice for around 3 to 4 minutes until the water has evaporated. Then you're going to reduce the flames to low, cover and simmer your rice for around 5 more minutes. When the water has evaporated such that you can't see any water on top, you're going to add in your parboiled green peas, green capsicum. Reduce the flames to low, cover and simmer for an extra 5 minutes so that the rice can fully cook. After 5 minutes, this is how your rice is going to be looking like. And wow, just look at that. And wow, just look at this. Steaming has cooked the rice all the way through, and it has turned out so perfect. Serve my rice. Oh wow. The outcome of your rice dishes will depend on the quality of rice that you use to cook. As you can see, mine has turned out perfect. The peri peri rice is fragrant, flavorful, and it's loaded with lots of vegetables. That means that I'm going to enjoy each and every single time. Hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing recipe.